Hello again, and welcome to this video tutorial on reading nutrition labels. Let's get started. Here is a nutrition label for a bag of chips. The first thing to consider, what is a serving size? For this particular bag, the label states one serving is 9 chips. So all of the information on the rest of the label pertains to how much of each nutrient you get every time you eat 9 chips. The entire bag contains 8 servings. So you could assume there are about 72 chips in the entire bag. 9 chips times 8 servings. For one serving, or 9 chips, there are a total of 130 calories, 5 grams of total fat. The total fat is then broken down into saturated fat, trans fat, polyunsaturated fat, and monosaturated fat. You can then see there are 0 grams of cholesterol in these chips. There are 260 milligrams of sodium in just one serving. This means if you ate the whole bag, you would need to multiply that number by 8. So the whole bag of chips would be 260 times 8, equaling 2,080 milligrams of sodium. Remember, we want to stay under 2,300 milligrams for the entire day. The next item is total carbohydrates in grams, which is 18 grams, which break down into dietary fibers of less than 1 gram and total sugars, which are both less than 1 gram. There are 4 grams of protein in each serving. The last section lists vitamin D, calcium, iron, and potassium. Some labels may have additional vitamins and minerals listed as well. The final thing to consider is the percent daily value, or percent DV. This is based on the diet of someone that is consuming 2,000 calories per day. Not everyone will need to eat that many calories. Some will need more, others will need less. This is an easy way to determine if a particular nutrient is above the percent daily recommended value. When reading the nutrition label, it is very important to pay attention to the serving size. How many total servings are in a package, the calorie count, and the nutrient content, so we can make informed decisions about what we eat. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.